I'm going to share some super easy and affordable ideas to make your home feel festive and patriotic this summer without breaking the bank. Whether you're planning a 4th of July barbecue or just want to bring in a little red, white, and blue charm, these decor tips are all about big impact on a small budget. Swap your everyday pillows for bold, flag-inspired covers. Think rich denim blues, classic ticking stripes, or cozy cotton with embroidered stars. Don't want to buy new ones? Grab some budget-friendly covers or DIY them with iron-on decals. It's a simple switch that brings instant patriotic charm to your sofa, bench, or porch swing. Nothing says all-American summer like bandanas. Stitch or tie a few together to create a colorful, homespun table runner. It's playful, nostalgic, and adds the perfect pop of red, white, and blue to any dining setup, picnic, or patio. These are a decor classic for a reason. Fill mason jars with sand, tea lights, mini flags, or fairy lights for a soft glow on summer nights. Line them up on your steps, mantle, or backyard table. It's low effort, high impact, and totally timeless. Cut out stars in felt, cardstock, or fabric and string them up as a whimsical garland. Hang it across your mantle, banister, or porch for a sweet, handcrafted touch that feels uniquely yours and totally festive. Visit your local thrift store or flea market and keep an eye out for vintage treasures, weathered flags, old soda crates, enamel pitchers, or antique lanterns. These one-of-a-kind finds bring so much character and that storybook summer charm into your space. Create a patriotic planter with red geraniums, white daisies, and blue lobelia or salvia. Use whatever containers you have on hand. Galvanized buckets, terracotta pots, even old wooden crates. It's a breezy way to brighten your porch and greet guests with a floral pop of patriotism. Repurpose a chalkboard and hand letter a message like "Land of the Free," "Welcome Summer," or a sweet quote about home. Add tiny flags or drawn-on fireworks for extra flair. It's a warm, personal welcome your guests will remember. This one's for the little creators. Have the kids make their own flags using popsicle sticks, paint, and a little glitter. Display them in jars, on the fridge, or even plant them in flower pots. It's a sweet way to include the whole family in your holiday decorating. Pick up red, white, and blue paper lanterns or accordion fans from your local party store or dollar spot. They're lightweight, festive, and make your patio or party area feel bright, breezy, and ready to celebrate. Take an old picnic basket and fill it with a checkered cloth, some faux florals, sparklers, or mini flags. It makes the perfect nostalgic centerpiece for an entryway, kitchen island, or buffet table, bringing that classic summertime in America feel indoors. So there you have it, 10 budget-friendly ways to bring a little summer sparkle and patriotic pride into your home. Remember, it's not about spending a lot, it's about adding those simple touches that make your space feel cozy, inviting, and full of heart. If you love these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who loves a good DIY moment. Thanks for watching, and here's to a summer filled with sunshine, celebration, and creative charm.